Molly-Mae Hague is having the time of her life in Paris, splashing the cash at upmarket hotels and restaurants. The 22-year-old has headed out to the French capital for a quick two-day trip, and has been living the life of luxury. Known for her lavish lifestyle filled with designer handbags, clothes and five-star holidays, the influencer and reality TV star has documented her entire trip. Despite only being in the city for a couple of days, Molly found time to take some stunning pictures, visiting the Louvre and the Eiffel Tower. The star chose to stay at the megabucks Bulgari Paris hotel, where rooms start from an eye-watering £1,200 per night. From her Instagram stories, it looks like Manchester-based Molly-Mae opted for the deluxe suite, which sets you back a whopping £2,400 a night. Before heading back to the UK on Saturday, she had a meal at the hotel's restaurant. The five-star hotel's food doesn't come cheap either, with Molly-Mae's delicious-looking ham and cheese toastie setting her back £26. Last night, the star shared a mirror selfie from her luxurious hotel suite, writing that she'd had the best couple of days. Now back in Manchester with her two cats and other half, Tommy Fury, the blonde bombshell shared a throwback picture from her trip. She wrote that she hadn't stopped laughing for the past 2 days.